MarineMax here to talk about our brand new 2021 NauticStar 211 Hybrid. If you're in the market for a boat that can do just about anything from going in the back bays, going in the bay, and even going out in the Gulf a little bit, this is the boat for you. Come on aboard and let's talk about some of the features. This boat is equipped with a Yamaha 150 motor, which is plenty of power to get you to where you need to go. Plenty of deck space for fishing in the back. Comes with this ski tow bar if you're wanting to do any type of water sports like pulling a tube or skiing. In the back we've got 3 additional seats that just pop up. Under this seat you've got a 5-gallon bucket for your cast net. In the center we've got your second live well, and under this seat houses the batteries for the boat. Also has this very large leaning post. This boat is set up for 10 people, so there's ample room. Here you've got Yamaha gauges, stainless steel switches, and the glove box houses the infinity stereo. And as you move forward, you can see that there is plenty of deck space for lounging out, plenty of space in the front for fishing. It also has a hookup for a trolling motor. Your second live well is here under the seat here. One thing else I'd like to point out is these do have backrests, so if you want to seat facing forward while you're underweight, you've got plenty of room to do that. So this is Brad Young at MarineMax Fort Walton Beach. If you'd like to take this boat on a sea trial, give me a call, 850-420-1802. Thanks.